Basic musicianship, lesson 21. This is about form, the DS, the DC, and the Fine, and the coda. So the first one we're going to talk about is the
DC.
Okay.
So DC means da capo, which in Italian means to the head, and the head meaning the beginning. So if we start with this piece of music here, we're going to play measures 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, and we see this DC here, da capo, that tells us we're going to go back to the beginning, and then we're going to end. So that's the DC. Now, we can also extend that by having a DC all fine, and it's going to look similar to this, but here on the end of this line, we'll see DC all fine, and then this measure we're going to designate as the fine measure. Fine means the end, in case you didn't know. So, in this example, we'll start at the beginning here. Measures 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. We see this. This is going to tell us to go back to the beginning, back to measures 1, 2, 3, 4, and then we're going to end here. So we're not going to play this measure. This is going to be our final measure here.
Fine, okay.
All right, so that's the DC all fine.
Okay.
Now we have the DS all fine.
Okay.
So the DS means del segno, which means the sign, so to the sign. So in this example, you'll see a DS all fine, and the sign we're going to put in
Yeah.
3, like that.
The sign looks sort of like an S with a slash through it and a couple of dots.
Yes.
Okay.
So instead of going to the beginning like the da capo, we're going to go to the sign.
DS, okay.
The DS. So in this music, we're going to start with measure 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. We see this DS all fine,
Yeah.
so we're going to go to measure 3, not to the beginning.
Yeah.
And then we're going to go to the fine after we go to the sign. So we're going to go to measure 3, 4, and then we're going to end on the fine.
Can I ask a question?
Yes.
So then the first time that we play through all of this and we see the fine, do we just ignore it?
We're going to
Keep
ignore the
going?
fine. Yeah.
Oh, okay.
So you're going to read the whole first line and follow that direction to go here, and then we're going to end here.
Okay, all right.
Okay, so that was the DS all fine.
Okay.
Now the next thing we're going to go over is the DC all coda.
Okay, so
So-
the DC was back to the beginning, right?
Yeah, and then the coda is another ending. Right?
Got
So
it.
yeah, we got rid of that. So we're going to need a sign, a coda sign, and we will actually we'll put that coda sign here
Okay.
and a coda sign there.
And that fine, we probably don't need that anymore, right?
Yes, we can get rid of the fine.
Okay.
All right, so DCL coda. So what happens in this example, we're going to start at the beginning again, measure 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. We see this, so that means we're going to go back to the beginning, but then when we see the coda sign, we're going to jump to the coda.
Okay.
So we played through this first line, now we're going back to the beginning, we're going to play measure 1, measure 2, we see this coda sign, so instead of playing this measure, we're going to jump to the coda section here, and then play this measure, and then we're going to end here. So this coda is like an additional ending. It's separate. It's going to be separated from the actual music. You'll see a space, and then you'll see the coda section there.
Okay.
So that's the DCL coda. Now the last one we're going to do is the DS al coda. So very similar. We're going to keep our, let's see, we're going to move, let's move that.
Okay.
And we're going to put our coda sign here, and we're going to put our del segno sign there.
Gotcha.
And then we're going to put DS
Okay.
all
So
coda.
instead of going back to the beginning with the DC, we're going to go back to the sign.
Correct.
Okay.
So, in the beginning, play measure 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Then we see that, it says go to the sign and then go to the coda. So we're going to jump to here.
Okay.
We're going to forget measures 1 and 2, continue at the sign, and then when we see this coda sign, we're not going to play this measure. We're going to jump to the coda section, and then we're going to end the piece right there.
Wow.
Wow, indeed.
Wow. I might have to watch this one again.
Yeah.
Okay. That
Me
was lesson 21.